Hi guys, how can we add lip color in Photoshop? With another easy method. First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Solid Color. Choose any lip color you want. I'll use red for now. Then click OK. Change the solid color layer's blend mode to multiply. Now select the layer mask and press Ctrl plus I to invert it. This hides the color from the entire image. Zoom in on the lips. Select the brush tool and choose a soft round brush with a size of around 12 pixels. Make sure the foreground color is white, then carefully paint over the lips to reveal the new color. Hold Shift key and add straight brush line to the lips. Do the same for bottom lips area. If you paint outside the lips, switch the foreground color to black and paint over the unwanted areas to hide the effect. You can switch between white to add the color and black to erase it until the result looks clean. For a more realistic blend, open Layer Style. Go to the Under Blend If. Adjust the underlying layer sliders. Hold the Alt key and split both sliders for a smoother transition. Set the left slider to around 50 and the right slider to around 201, or adjust them to suit your image. Finally, you can double-click the solid color thumbnail at any time to choose a different lip color. And that's it. Before, natural lip color. After, beautiful, realistic lips with a custom color that blends naturally with the image. That's how you can change lip color in Photoshop with another easy method. Subscribe Netto Doch for more easy tutorials.